A new day, a new project. We got a Samsung laptop. This is a RC530 530 model. So nothing happens here, no light, no power, no battery. At least now it's on battery. Okay, so let's check the power supply. And we got 19 volts here. This is good. So we have the green light here and nothing about charging. And we have an orange. I don't know what that means. Is it charging? So the laptop is starting. This is nice. So it have an Intel i5-2410M CPU, 2.3 gigahertz, and 4 giga of memory. The point is that it's really slow. The hinges are almost gone, and it's not charging the battery. Okay, let me see. Is there anything related to battery in the BIOS? Advanced, fan, silent mode, auto, battery life cycle extension, disable. But as long as we have this one in BIOS, I suppose that the battery is seen by the laptop. USB charging sleep mode, no. So it's nothing related to charging, discharging, or checking the battery. Let me have the defaults. Restore defaults, yes, please. Save changings. So it's restarting. Let's get back in BIOS. And now I have over here a blue light. What is this meaning? Now that's the power on. And this is the power supply. That orange means that the power supply is connected. If we take out the power supply, the laptop is just getting off. Okay, what we're gonna do for the first step. Let me have the battery out. And let's have a very simple test to the battery. This is a 11.1 volt battery, 48 watts. If it's 11.8 volt, that means it have 1, 2, 3, and I'm pretty sure this is a kind of 3S 2P, 3 in series and then 2 rows of 3 in parallel. How can we access that? Well, that should be very simple. I'm just gonna have a little hole here and here to get access to the batteries, to the end of the battery, because they are sure in series. So here are the ends. Let me use something like this. That should be done manually. This is very sensible. That is a very clear gap to the battery. I can see the metal over there. Let's make it bigger, doesn't hurt. Okay, on the other side. But I see it now. We got the metal. Now it should be very simple to measure the voltage. And there we go, 1.3 volts. This is so bad. Let me have another hole to the other row of cells. Like I said before, it has to be done manually because you need to feel the metal. Yes, you see, it's done. And here too. So that's the metal. And let's measure the other row. Yeah, 1.3. For now, I'm gonna have my iMac try to start charging the battery. How can we do this? I'll try to improvise something there. So let's try it like that. Well, this charger is really nice because it have a kind of low voltage charger. Can feel low voltage. Okay, you don't want to do that. Connection breakdown. Are you sure about this? Oh God, nothing there. Doesn't take any current. Okay, we are good here. Yes, 3.29. Let me have another approach. So I have a battery here at 3S, and let's just pump it up like that to see what's happening. Is it rising? We should have a transfer a little bit. It was 1.3 and it's nothing. No current at all. That's nothing there. A very short 2 milliamps. So maybe my fuse is gone. Let me see. I'm not sure. We'll try the other guy. 200 milliamps. Just a little 2.5. So there are two explanations here. Even the cells are gone, or there is another way they've been connected in here. Okay,
No, this is a very clear in-series connection. It was nothing wrong with my voltmeters. Everything goes fine over there. This is the first row, 0.34, nothing. 0.41, 133. This is the only one working a little bit. There we are. So it's charging 1 amp. Go, go, go. 278 volts. Now we can try. Let's see, it's keeping the voltage. Yeah, yes, 1.3 amps, nice. Let's go a little bit harder with 2.1 amps, let's say. There we go, 2 amps, perfect, it's growing. So let's say this is chargeable. Let's go to the next one. But now we're gonna have plus here, a minus over here. And let's do the same trick. We go to metal hydride battery and we go to forming the charge. Yes, there we go. So forming the battery, somehow it's like a non-conditional charging or something, and this is nice. There is still a chance for this to work. We just push a little bit of voltage in each of these cells and then we got them all charging. 222, beautiful. What's nice about this? This have a function, you know, for charging lithium polymer batteries if they are under voltage, but not too much. You see 1.3. It's charging with a very low amps, it's 100 milliamps, and somehow it's reviving the super or over discharged battery. That's nice. This can be saved. Let's go here. Good, 1 amp. Let's keep it running for a few minutes. So the middle cells, they are charging very well now. 2.6 amps. I think that should be enough for now. And let's go to the last row of cells here, and that's plus. And let's do the same trick. Oh, come on, come on, come on. 2.6 amps. I don't see any voltage going up. Bad. Up. So maybe we don't have a good connection there. Okay, maybe I should try this one because it's a little bit smaller. Better. Plus. I think one of the cell. Is it short or something? Yeah. 0.5 ohms. This is a very clear short, but which of the cell is shorted? I have to open the case. I can't reach it from the other side. The best I can do is take off this plastic. No, I have to go all around here. I think it will work like this a little bit. Why not? There we go. Let me see if I have the access to this. And cut those rings from the middle. This is the connection to the battery that should be kept in place by any means. So if I cut this one here, I can measure now which of them is in short. How comes no more short? Oh, this is so great. So this one's got nothing, this one have a little bit. Okay, let's try to charge them one by one. Minus, plus. Anyway, the battery is compromised, so I really don't care too much now. 29 volts, what? Get out of here. Out. Let's apply 1.2 volts first. No, this is very strange. Really strange. Okay, let's try the other one. 1.10. No, sorry guys, the battery is really compromised. No chance to do anything about, so for now I can't say anything about if the laptop is charging or it's not charging the battery. All I have to do now is to order a new battery, and there will be no further development. So this is very clear. These two cells are absolutely unusable. Let me measure the internal resistance with this special tool. And it's looking like it was funny before, it was like shorted, but afterwards it's like they are in the air. There is no internal resistance. So that's I suspect the electronic have a problem, or had a problem in fact, because I don't care about that anymore. You see, and these are the cells I recovered. 62 milliohms. It's still usable. 68, 69. Okay, they are not in very good shape, but they are still usable. 53, this is even better. This one, 53. So these two are ready to go to the recycle bin. And by the way, never throw
any kind of batteries into the garbage, so it needs to be placed in special dedicated places for recycled batteries. So 55 minutes, and the first 4 cells already took 1.7 amps, so it's looking like these are still usable. This one are a little bit warm, so I consider these 2, or these 4 in fact, will be useful for some other projects. That's not the laptop problem about charging the battery, it's the battery itself for now. So that was for today. I hope it was useful, and I'll be back soon with some other projects. Bye bye.